Liver detox, the basics. Known as the chief of staff by the Taoist literature, the liver is a powerful bodily organ that performs a number of functions for the body to stay healthy. In the first place, it takes the role of being the factory or warehouse for the metabolic elements, nutrients, and even wastes. It stores and manages all the metabolic actions, whether hormonal or involving minerals, vitamins, carbohydrates, fat, and proteins. Although the body's chief of staff, the liver is often exposed to certain threats and malfunctions. Poor diet, pollutants, alcohol, fatigue, and allergens are the most common factors that affect the natural function of the liver. According to certain studies, when the liver is exposed to these elements and their combinations, the tendency is that more than what the liver can handle for it to function properly will occur. If this overwork happens, the liver will become congested, sluggish, and prone to toxins. These congestion and toxicity is what leads to serious organ malfunction, resulting to a number of diseases you might think you've never had. So to prevent that unfavorable action from happening, liver detox is given a strong importance. But what is liver detox? Liver detox is simply the process of reducing and eliminating all the harmful elements in your liver. It is a form of liver cleansing and can be performed in a variety of ways. Taking a liver detox diet can be one of the best solutions possible, and it is nice to know that in today's highly advanced world, a number of liver detox diet programs are available for you to consider. In liver detox diet, certain restrictions to the usual foods you eat are maintained. The diet may include the consumption of fruits and raw vegetables in abundance. Also, whole grains, filtered water, and cold-pressed oils are permitted. On the other hand, foods involving sugar, alcohol, coffee, fried foods, processed foods, saturated fats, and all sorts of toxic and acidic foods are not allowed. However, it is important to know that the liver detox diet is not appropriate for everyone. With this, it is always best to consult a specialist before taking one. Liver detox can also be performed by the use of certain detoxifying herbs. Herbs like dandelion are proven to clear wastes and pollutants in the liver. The dandelion, for instance, is proven to be active for stimulating the bile production in the body. It also works to treat inflammation in the gallbladder and stones, as well as jaundice and other related liver malfunctions. You can also use a fringe tree for liver detoxification, as for many this is one effective solution for those with hepatitis, gallbladder inflammation, jaundices, cirrhosis, enlarged liver, and other serious illnesses affecting the liver. What's nice to know about the fringe tree is that it even helps to strengthen organs like pancreases and spleen. So do you want to keep your liver strong and healthy? If yes, then liver detox can be your best solution. Finding the right technique can be easy with lots of them available out there, after all. But don't forget to consult your doctor for better guidance.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.